Now, plums are another natural fruit that you can grow. And if you want to have an edible garden at your home, this makes a great tree that you can grow. And let me show you. Now, we are in the last day of May, and you can see this plum tree is laid down. Now, I'm going to back up. I want to show you the size of this plum tree. Look how small. It's not very gigantic. And this is what they call damson, D-A-M-S-O-N, plum tree. And you can see the plums, they are just loaded. But I will tell you, squirrels truly enjoy this delicious fruit. And as these ripen sometimes, we don't get to enjoy them because the animals will have it gone because it's next to our abandoned garden spot. And you can see it's just loaded down with lots of plums. Now, plums are really good as a great hydrator for our body, nutritious, lots of vitamins, and it is full of fiber. That's what makes plums really beneficial to your body, is they have lots of fiber. So when you're looking for other sources of fiber, you can also look to your fruits because they give you that, and enjoy those. So this is Elizabeth talking to you about the benefits of getting fiber in our diet, having beneficial antioxidants. Do you grow any plum trees? Do you have an edible backyard like I do, where you can just walk around and fill your belly and enjoy it and give you lots of energy and nutrition? Leave it in comments and let me know. We've been talking about the fruits that we can plant into our garden area and around our yard that will make it look beautiful but is beneficial, and we can just walk around and feed ourselves. Gives ourselves lots of antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. So another great source of fiber that you should keep around, and it will last year round if you harvest and plant it, and that is blueberries. Yum. So here are the blueberries, and there is only 2 of these blueberry bushes. Now, yeah, I know they look like trees, right? But blueberries are actually a bush. They call it a bush. It is in the bush family. And you can see these beautiful blue-gray berries just loaded down. And here in a couple of weeks, these are going to be ripe and ready for the taking. This is one of the most delicious and beneficial as far as putting fiber into your diet. The great thing about blueberries is you can cold pack them and freeze them and you can put a little sugar on them if you want to for the flash freezing. You can take them and just put a handful into your pancake batter or into your muffin batter while they're frozen. Mix them in and then go ahead and bake or make your pancakes, waffles, or muffins, and you can enjoy them year round by flash freezing them. You can also make blueberry jelly and jam, and of course make a cobbler. So let me give you that recipe. The recipe to make a blueberry cobbler is 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of milk, 1 stick of butter. Put a cup of blueberries into the bottom of your casserole dish. Pour that battered mix over top. Place it in the oven at 375 for at least 25 minutes. May take a little longer, just check it. And now you have your own blueberry cobbler. Most delicious and nutritious. So do you like blueberry pie? Let me know in the comments, and let me know, do you eat blueberries and do you use them daily and year round? Oh, don't we love peaches? Look at this. These are peaches. Now, this peach tree came up voluntarily from where we ate peaches, and we buy them in the mountains and bring them home and eat them. And this is where we put our compost and so forth. We seen this as a wonderful treasure and surprise in our backyard, along with our other fruits. And this is another one that's good for the fiber and nutrition. You can make you a peach cobbler and enjoy it, and you can eat them just like they are. Remember, these have large pits, so you don't want to be eating the pit. You don't want to cut into the pit because, well, it has a little bit of a arsenic powder within it. So we want to throw the pits away, and we definitely don't want our animals to be getting a hold of them. Most of them have a sixth sense, and they already know not to eat the pitted fruit. So your peach, great source of fiber and nutrition. It is highly sweet, so if you're diabetic, do it in moderation, and make you a peach cobbler. 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of milk, 1 stick of butter. Mix it all together. Lay your peach slices in the bottom of your casserole dish. Pour that batter over top. Heat your oven to 375 and bake it for about 25 to 30 minutes. You're going to enjoy a delicious peach cobbler. Let me know, do you eat peaches? Do you use a source of fiber in your diet? I'd love to hear, what is your favorite fruit? Let me know, okay? This is Elizabeth, your practical apothecary at DandelineNorth.com.